Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Just open a video in the app. And if you want to add different sound effects, just go to the right bar at the right side of the screen, and here you can find the second icon, the music. And here you can find three options: music, sound effects, or the my music. Click the second, the sound effects, and here you can find different movie effects, transitions, game, or others. Click to the funny, for example. You can find different songs, and if you want to add, for example, the wah wah fail, just click to the plus icon, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.